The first step in making Blender feel a little more like Maya is to change the Keymap to industry compatible. This gives you navigation and transformation controls that are much closer to Maya. You can use W, E, and R to move, rotate, and scale objects, and use Alt together with the mouse buttons to navigate around the viewport. The second step is to enable orbit around selection, depth, and zoom to mouse position. These options make viewport navigation feel more intuitive and help Blender behave more like Maya. Next, we need to adjust the units so that our objects and the viewport grid have a similar scale to what we are used to in Maya. After that, we can close some of the panels we don't need and rename a few areas of the interface. This step isn't essential, but it can make the workspace feel more familiar and easier to use. Once everything is set up, make sure to save your changes to the startup file. This means that the next time you open Blender, your customized workspace will already be there. Let's also adjust the grid so that it is more visible and looks closer to Maya's viewport. Finally, we can customize the interface colors. This part is completely up to you, since it's mainly a matter of personal style. Just remember to save the startup file one more time when you're finished. And that's it for the first part of turning Blender into a more Maya-like experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe so I can continue creating more content like this. And don't miss part 2, where I'll introduce a new Blender add-on I created to simplify the workflow, add more accessible tools, and make Blender feel even more like Maya.